how to fix your TikTok videos not eligible for the For You feed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're struggling with the TikTok videos not being eligible for the For You feed, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix that issue so your content can reach a wider audience. So, first, let's talk about age requirements. TikTok has specific rules that state accounts for users under 16 cannot have the content recommended. So, if you're under 16, unfortunately, your videos won't be eligible for the For You feed. But don't worry, once you turn 16, that restriction is lifted. Now, even if you're over 16 and facing the issue, then there are some things that you can do. Open up your TikTok app and go to your profile icon on the bottom right. Now, tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down and you'll find Support. Tap on it and then tap on Safety Center. Now, tap on Account Status and make sure that you have this message your account is in good standing. So if your account has some violations, then you won't be able to post properly, and then your post won't be sent to others For You feed. However, if your account is in good standing but still it's not being sent to For You feed, then come back and then come back again and tap on Help Center. Now, here there are various popular articles you can search for your problem, and TikTok might help you out. Now, here you can even go to report a problem, and then you can scroll down, and there you'll find chat with us, tap on it, and then you can write your problem here, and then TikTok support will help you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.